We'll guide you through how to find and fix the missing Google Play Store. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This can be frustrating as you want to go and use it, update apps, download apps, and more. So we're going to guide you through how you can go about finding it. First of all, do just swipe across on the pages here in case you've just accidentally moved it or someone else has. Next, swipe up. Go to the top and click search. You want to go and type in Play Store. Go and see if it appears here in case it's been removed from the homepage. If it does, you can tap and hold your finger on it and press add to home and add it back. If you're still struggling to go and find it, you want to go and swipe up. Find settings. In settings, you need to go and scroll down. Go and find the option for apps and tap there. In here, you need to go and scroll down and we need to go and find Google Play Store. Go and tap on it. Look at the bottom. If you see the option for enable, go and tap on it. It may have been disabled. So we've now gone and enabled it again. Now what you can do is come out of it, swipe up, press search at the top, and you can go and type in Play Store. And as you can see, there it is. You can then tap and hold your finger on it and press add to home, and we've got it back. Tap and hold it and move it where you want it. Now, if you still find you can't find it, if you still find it's missing, tap and hold your finger in some blank space, press settings at the bottom, scroll down and find hide apps on home and app screens, and make sure it's not been hidden. Remove it if it has at the top and press done. And then we should be able to go and get it back. You may need to go and search and add it again. Leave a like if you found this useful.